We got the 4-inch intake, and then we got the tune for the 4-inch intake. Let's cut to the next scene. So in today's video, we're actually doing something pretty exciting. So in the last video, we actually started by doing donuts and all that. But in today's video, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna actually do the first ever performance mod on the G35. I was just looking through the paper and it doesn't even say how much horsepower, at least 100 though. I am so excited.
This is the channel where you follow everything in YouTube, everything the Nixon 370, 350, or any car, you know, replacement or anything. That C is the best one. You know,
dude, I got my own promoter. Woo.
Okay, you have to subscribe to Danny channel before everything. Peace. Be chill.
Subscribe and like. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, oh that's so cool. That's the first time I ever do that. So I was reading online and typically putting an OBX upper plenum or just any upper plenum in general, plenum spacer, gives the car basically like 9 to like 14 horsepower. That's not a huge thing, but honestly for like 80 bucks or whatever it cost me, which I'm gonna link it down below in case you guys wanna buy it. I think it's a pretty good amount. I've never actually gunned this car. My sister's here in the car. We're gonna see if it's fast. Someone commented this on my last video and honestly I don't know how to answer that. We're gonna rip it and then I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion and then we'll do an after. Let's see what oh wait, is he leaving? That was pretty quick.
Wow.
It felt pretty good.
You're gonna have to see what
And the car's running great, huh?
I think the camera.
Oh yeah, the camera moved 100%. That felt pretty good, I'm not even gonna lie. That felt really nice. That's a fun little DE. And compared to the BHR, I definitely think it doesn't have as much torque, but that felt pretty good. The car turned off.
No me digas. No mentira. It's still running.
Alright, so imagine a rat just comes out of nowhere. As you can see, car's pretty much stock. We got the 4-inch intake, and then we got the tune for the 4-inch intake. Just to be able to run it, we still gotta do a proper tune. And I showed you guys before with the plenum spacer, basically we gotta take off this upper plenum, and it goes right in between the top side and the bottom side. Let's go! Guys, my sister doesn't want to be on camera, so ignore that. Now we're gonna go home. One more important thing. Dogecoin is actually hitting the moon right now. And along with that, you guys have to like and subscribe if you haven't already. So if you have not already and you're watching right now, like and subscribe. Get her, bite her, get her, get her.
No.
So this is the blocks, probably the cheapest upper plenum you could get for G35s and 350s as well. And we're gonna go ahead and unbox it before we just throw it in there. Nice, they actually give us instructions. That's actually pretty cool. So it tells you here the number of the bolts, parts list, instructions. You get the bolts that you're gonna put in the upper plenum. You get a little sticker. Look at that. Bam. What material is this? Touch it? That's not aluminum, that's like a
No creo.
plastic? It's like a hard plastic, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, it's not as nice as a Z1. I believe it's like aluminum, I'm not sure. Again, I do want to say that this whole series is sponsored by Compare.com. Compare.com is basically an easy to use website that helps you find the best insurance rate for your cars. All you have to do is enter your info. Once you enter your info, it's gonna look through over 65 insurance companies and find you the best possible policy. It basically just makes it easier so you don't have to call company just for a quote. And if you click the link in the description right now and you do a free quote, you will be entered to a $200 eBay gift card giveaway. So it's completely free. At least do the quote, see if you can get a better rate for your car. Honestly, I did it with a 370 like I said last video, and they actually found me a better rate. So go ahead and do that. It's completely free. Link top of the description. Enter the giveaway. Giveaway winner will be announced May 11th or 12th. And one more thing, you will not be getting spam calls. Trust me. Guys, welcome back to the Sway house, but this is the Danny Z house. Let me give you a little tour. Here we got the Infiniti G35 behind the cameras, my cousin.
Hey!
This is a Nissan GTR. How much it bounces. That's how bad that suspension is. Look at that, you see that? That is not normal. Also, for the hardware, you are gonna need a T30, and then you are gonna need a 10 mil to take off all the upper plenum bolts. I believe there should be a total of 18 bolts, right? So there's about a total of 18 bolts. We also gotta take out the intake, shouldn't be too hard, and we're not gonna take off the throttle body. There's no need for that, so we're gonna take off all the bolts that we need, and that's pretty much it. I'm expecting, honestly, 1 to 2 hours around there. Shouldn't be too hard. Also, one last thing I almost forgot. I already had it. Thankfully, I don't gotta run anywhere, but you are gonna, nice. You are gonna need gasket maker, some sort of gasket maker sealant thing. So as I was saying, we're not gonna fully take it off. Actually, you know what I think Pat sent me out another one of these. But either way, this one's pretty good. There's no oil leaking, so there's no reason to change it. But you can go ahead, just clean up in there. I kind of cleaned it up a little bit, pretty decent. Might try to tie down this bolt, because why not? So I laid everything out, and are gonna be replacing these bolts with these right here. Right now we gotta grab the upper plenum. Oh, I did realize something though. The bolts are a little longer because there's actually like a thick washer. I'll show you guys. But first we gotta, oh actually first, ooh, almost forgot. Before we put that on, for extra reassurance that nothing's gonna, oh no, no, my favorite short. Sure that nothing's gonna leak, we're gonna use Ultra Black gasket maker. You don't gotta splatter a bunch, just a little bit like that with your finger rubbing through it. Pretty good. So you guys don't have to struggle with this little fin this way, these two this way. So it actually does tell you that long bolts are 9, 3, 1, and 6. It's 9, 3, 1, and 6. Yep, there's 4. Here we go, 4 long bolts. We're back. We gotta go ahead, put all the bolts back into the upper plenum spacer. Total of 18. I'm just gonna do a quick B-roll because we do have an audience. And you do gotta put a little bit of silicone on top and the bottom just so it stays the same. The first time we began by tightening all the bolts 40 inch pounds from 40 to 100 inch pounds. Shout out to Alex for letting me borrow this. I do not have one and I really need one. Yeah. Alright, currently the next day, it is back to daytime. That is what it looks like. I really like how the silver bolts look on the top. It's actually really cool. As you guys saw, we torqued everything to a total of 100 inch pounds, I believe. Things good, all the hoses in, that bolt covered up. Yeah, I'm super excited. Before we end up the video, of course, we gotta go for a test drive. Let's get it. I'm not even gonna lie, that felt quick. Yo, that felt so, whoa. That felt really quick for some reason. Like way quicker than the first ball I did yesterday. Nothing crazy, but I can definitely notice. 100%. spacer for $80. I approve, 100% worth it. So now we just need a throttle body spacer, and we're pretty much full bolt on. Now we gotta get the pop tune. Oh man, driving around the street in like a new car that is modifying brings back so many memories with the 370. But with that being said, I love you guys so much. Be sure to absolutely smash that like button and subscribe button. Thank you all for so much for the support. Do not forget to enter the giveaway, please. Top link in the description. I got this giveaway just for you guys, so just at least please enter it. Yeah. I'm gonna try my best to take the G sliding sometime soon. I don't know, I'm kind of sketched out. I want to make sure that's all dialed in, so that's definitely gonna come in the future. But as always, peace out, and I'll see you guys later. Hasta luego. Let me know what you guys think in the description about the series. I'm having a lot of fun. Something definitely new, and I hope you guys are enjoying it, which I know you are, so let's get it.
How am I gonna get the thing? Oh.
One thing I love about this car is that it sounds really good and it's loud, but that in the cabin you cannot hear anything.